জি বাংলার প্রত্যেকটা সিরিয়াল সবার আগে আপলোড করা হয়, তো দেরি না করে আমাদের চ্যানেলটা এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিন।
Imagine a world where animals could talk. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each creature suddenly gains the ability to communicate with humans. What would they say? Would they share ancient secrets of the natural world? Would they speak about their struggles, their joys, or even their grievances against us? This profound shift would not only transform our understanding of the animal kingdom but could radically alter our relationship with nature. The first thing we might notice is how animals would recount their experiences of life. Dogs, known as man's best friend, would likely express boundless love and loyalty but may also reveal insights into how they perceive us, understand our emotions, and even sense things we're unaware of. Meanwhile, cats, with their independent and enigmatic nature, might surprise us with stories of survival, curiosity, and perhaps a touch of disdain for how humans sometimes misunderstand them. Imagine birds, those tiny travelers of the skies, describing their journeys across continents, sharing tales of landscapes unseen by human eyes, weather patterns, and natural phenomena they've witnessed from above. Their unique perspectives could unlock mysteries of migration and give us a newfound appreciation for their incredible resilience. On a more sobering note, animals could potentially express the suffering they've endured at the hands of humans. Imagine farm animals, often raised in confined conditions, describing the psychological toll and pain they've experienced. Their words might bring a new level of empathy and awareness, forcing us to confront ethical dilemmas around our treatment of animals for food, clothing, and labor. Endangered species could speak out, urging us to protect their habitats before it's too late. Hearing a tiger or a panda explain the impact of deforestation or climate change on their survival could spur urgent action to save these species. Animals could also offer insights into ecosystems and their delicate balances. Forests, oceans, and rivers teem with creatures whose lives are deeply interconnected, often in ways we're only beginning to understand. Imagine a bee explaining the critical role of pollination or a wolf describing how its presence controls the populations of prey animals, indirectly influencing vegetation and even the flow of rivers. This kind of first-hand knowledge would help scientists and conservationists design better strategies for preserving biodiversity, as animals could provide specific, nuanced information about their roles within ecosystems. This newfound communication could deepen our understanding of environmental issues. Marine life, for instance, might describe the horrors of plastic pollution, entanglement in fishing nets, or the bleaching of coral reefs. Dolphins, whales, and fish could explain how noise pollution from ships affects their navigation and mating patterns. They might even guide us towards solutions to protect the ocean, urging us to change our practices before their homes are irreversibly damaged. Then, there's the question of animal intelligence. We know that some animals possess remarkable problem-solving skills and emotional intelligence. If we could speak with them, animals like dolphins, elephants, and primates could reveal how they use tools, create social bonds, and even grieve for their lost ones. This dialogue could challenge the traditional boundaries between human and animal intelligence, raising questions about how we perceive consciousness across species. Lastly, the ability to converse with animals could profoundly impact our laws and ethical standards. Animals, no longer seen as mere property, could advocate for their rights. Activists and policymakers would be forced to consider animals' voices in legislation around welfare, habitat protection, and ethical treatment. Zoos and circuses might be banned altogether as animals share their stories of captivity, expressing desires for freedom and natural lives. Domestic animals could help us better understand their needs, guiding us in caring for them in ways that are genuinely enriching for their well-being. In a world where animals can speak, our lives and societies would undergo an incredible transformation. We would not only gain insights into the natural world but be challenged to rethink our place within it. The boundaries between species would blur as we recognize animals as fellow beings with thoughts, emotions, and lives as intricate and valuable as our own. This new dialogue could foster a deeper, more respectful coexistence with the creatures who share our planet, urging us to protect, cherish, and live harmoniously with all forms of life.